Librarians for a culture of reading, learning, and lifelong curiosity. Once again, good morning to all of you for this 5 days Librarians workshop.
Where have you seen this word readership before?
It is a part of activity.
We are using for this
Normal English.
normal.
It is also made by using a.
After the assembly, Mr. Mujibur Rahman, I go to Kerala, but I know more of India. And
I normally reveal the portrait of Sri T.N. Then this important request is upon his mission of creating a reading society before the portrait of P.N. Panikka.
Stand and pledge with full faith
of my ability to grow through reading and discussions.
of the ability to go through reading and discussions.
I pledge to promote the development of my country, Bharat,